Hi guys! Welcome to Nikon's video. We're here nga po pala ngayon sa farm kung saan lumaki si Nikon. So, pag-usapan natin kung paano yung tamang routine exercise normally sa mga maliliit na aso. So, in this case, normally mga 15 to 30 minutes combination po ng walking, running, some exploring. So normally yung ginagawa ko sa first part ng exercise ni Nikon is hinahayaan ko siyang mag-explore sa palibot niya. So yung start ng exercise namin is around 5 in the afternoon kung saan hindi na mainit. So, to make sure na 15 to 30 minutes lang yung exercise niya, normally, nagdadala ako ng stopwatch or relo na may stopwatch to make sure na hindi siya lalagpas ng 30 minutes. So normally is dinadala ko siya dito sa likod portion ng farm. Dito siya normally nag-exercise para may space siyang tumakbo at mag-explore. So for you guys, if wala kayong access sa farm or yung malaking lote, you can use naman yung small gardens nyo or small lawns nyo para doon mag-exercise. We just have to make sure na our small dogs get like 4 to 5 times a week exercise para ma-stimulate yung brains nila at saka naman maging physically fit sila. For me, it is really important for our small dogs to have like a regular exercise, lalo na pag yung small dogs nyo is lagi nyong kasama sa vacation or sa gala. Normally, they need that exercise para yung body nila is strong enough na makasabay sa gala or mga vacations nyo. So guys, if yung small dogs nyo is hindi sanay mag-exercise, what I can suggest is mga 10 to 15 minutes muna. So for me, 5 minutes walking, 5 minutes exploration, then 5 minutes ng takbo or running. So like after 3 to 4 weeks, tsaka nyo increase yung duration ng activity niya. So from 10 to 15, gawin yung 15 to 20, tapos like 15 to 30 gradually. So after mga 3 months or pag sanay na siyang mag-exercise, tsaka mo siya i-increase or tsaka mo siya dagdagan ng running time para yung katawan niya is mas prepared sa exercise. Isa pang tip is pag may scheduled vacation kayo or long rides, long drives, out of town long drives or vacations sa province nyo, dagdagan nyo yung running time niya or yung exercise niya para mas prepared yung katawan ng mga maliliit na aso natin o yung pets natin. So normally from 15 to 30, gawin natin mga 20 to 40 minutes yung exercise nila. Mga at least 2 weeks prior to the scheduled event or scheduled vacation. So guys, another suggestion is pag hindi pa sanay yung aso nyo na tumakbo na may command, what I can suggest to you guys is i-harness muna siya tapos assist muna sa pagtakbo niya. Tapos gradually turuan niyo siya ng command ng pagtakbo niya. So after ng exercise, don't forget na painumin sila ng tubig. So yan muna yung tips na i-share ko sa inyo ngayon guys. Hopefully I can create more contents in the future. So please support my channel. Please like and subscribe at saka paki-share na rin po.